In this session, we will discuss longest common subsequence. Like suppose x, y, z is given in string 1. String 2 is given as like x, y, z similarly. So the possible sequences for x s1 would be like 2 power 8, 2 power 3. It's like 2 power 8, 2 power 3. Because 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, so 2 power 3, 8. Total 8 are possible. 8 subsequences are possible for string 1. Like x is one subsequence, like empty is one more subsequence, like y is one more subsequence, like z is one more subsequence, like xy is one more subsequence. Parallelly xz, yz, this is one subsequence, and xyz, these are subsequences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total 8. Similarly, for this also, same these values. And our goal is to find a longest common subsequence. See, here this is 1, length is 1, this is 0 empty string. Here length is 1, here 2, here 3. For this also, there would be x, y, z because both are same. And similarly, there will be like x, y, z because values are same. Okay, we should print output as 3 because x, y, z is common. And this is longest common subsequence. XY is a subsequence and YZ is not a subsequence. You can think like, sorry, YX is not a subsequence. It's like a substring, but it is not a subsequence. Only this one is a subsequence. Ordering should be there. Okay. Now we will implement this by using dynamic programming tabulation method. And we will discuss one recursive way. We will not implement by using memorization method, but we will implement by using tabularization method. How to implement recursion means first of all we should check values like if xyz is given to us, xyz, this one is string 1, this one is string 2. Let us assume m as a length of a string 1 is 3 here, m as a length of string 2, this is also 3. I will start from m minus 1, means in a 0 1 2 0 1 2. I'm doing recursive way, recursive way, recursive. Okay, I will check. M minus 1 means m is 3. M minus 1, 3. Whether this equal to or not. If it is equal, I will add plus 1. Okay. And I will decrement m. M will become 2 again. I am doing this. I will implement parallel code. No problem. First, first, first of all, I should define a function, LCS. Okay. I will take string 1, string 2. And m is length of string 1. N is length of string 2. Okay, these are the arguments. Okay, I will take this as first. I will define this function later. First of all, S1 is equal to input enter string. Enter string 1. String 1. Okay. Similarly, I will take for S2 also. For this, I am mentioning enter string 2. I am calculating m value. M is equal to length of string 1. Okay. Similarly, n is equal to length of string 2. Now I am passing directly I am printing LCS of S1, S2. These are the parameters I am passing here. Comma n. Okay. Now our goal is to define a function. LCS, longest common subsequence, as I have explained you. Okay. If okay, we will define if S1 of m minus 1. equal to S2 of n minus 1. Then what I'm doing? 1. I'm return 1 plus LCS of S1, comma S2, comma m minus 1. I'm decrementing by 1, comma I'm decrementing by n also by 1. As I've explained, 1 minute I will show. Okay. If this both are equal, what I'm doing? I'm returning 1 less. I'm calling again LCS of I'm decrementing string 1, string 2, I'm passing. Similarly, I'm decrementing m minus 1. M is decremented by 1, n is decremented by 1. Again, I'm checking here. Okay. M is now 2. 2 minus 1, this one. This one, M is 2, 2, sorry. 2 minus 1, this one. N is 2. 2 minus 1, this one. 1. This is index 1. Both are equal. Again, I'm adding 1. Means it will become 2. And I again checking this one. Okay. Now n will become 1. M also will become 1. N minus 1 we are checking. And similarly, I'm checking test of n minus 1. Now both are equal. I'm adding again 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Again, I am decrementing. When I'm stopping here, when should I stop? You can realize the base case now. If it becomes 0, I should return 0 because I got already 3. See, first term, I will explain once again. See, here first term, I'm checking here. S1 of M. M is initially 3. Okay. Okay, I will take one more one. S1 is XYZ. S2 is also XYZ string. This one is index 0, 1, 2. Similarly, this one also 0, 1, 2. Okay. This one you can take like M is equal to 3 length. N is equal to also length 3. Okay. First of all, I'm see this. This is mean by that. I'm checking S1 of M minus 1, S2 of N minus 1. Then I'm adding 1 plus I am calling again with M. I'm making M to M minus 1. I'm decrementing M by 1, decrementing N by 1. Okay. I'm doing this one. I'm checking m minus 1 means S1 of m minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. This one I'm checking and S2 of n minus 1, this one. Both are equal. So I am adding 1 plus, again I'm calling LCS. LCS. Okay. Here what I'm doing, I'm decrementing m and n. M here is 2 and n also 2. See here. I'm decrementing m and n. So that is the reason. Again, now my m is 2, n is 2. Again I'm checking S1 of m minus 1, this one. 2 minus 1 equal to S2 of n minus 1, this one. 2 minus 1, both are equal. Again I'm adding 1 plus I'm calling LCS of, here I'm making m is equal to 1, decrementing similarly. N also 1, n is also equal to 1 here for this one. Okay, because I'm here decrementing. Okay, again see, 1 m minus 1 I'm checking. S1 of m minus 1 is 0. S2 of n minus 1 is 0 index element. X both are same. Okay. Now what I'm doing, again I'm for this also 1 plus I'm doing LCS. But here m will be 0 and n is also 0. When there is 0, I'm doing returning only 0. Then my value would become 3. Okay. So if m equal to 0 or n equal to 0, I'm directly returning 0. If m equal 0 or n equal 0, then I'm returning 0. Okay. Suppose the string is same. If I take different string, I will take one example. One more string. Let us assume one more string like x, y, z. This one is string 1. String 2 would be like a, z, k, m. Okay. If I take this two, Okay, I can take AZK only. 3 is enough for me. Okay. See, here longest common subsequence would be common AZ. AZ. Okay. My output should be 2. So what should I do here to obtain this one? First of all, I am finding similarly m minus 1 m is here 4. M is equal to 4. N is equal to 3. I'm checking. M minus 1 means this value is equal to S1 of M minus 1 means this value. S2 of N minus 1 means this value. Both are equal? No. Then what I should do? If I do, see, if this condition is true only, if both are equal only, I am doing this one. Or else, if it is not satisfied, then I should do in this way. Like one time I will decrement by n m, and one time I will decrement by n, and I will find maximum of those two. Which one is maximum? I will do that in 1 minute. I will explain with the diagram. Suppose I will ignore here this one, last one. A x y comma L, I am passing here LCS of x y comma, I am ignoring this one time, and A z k, and parallelly LCS of x y z. I am ignoring your last value, this one az. Here in this case I am ignoring this one, in this case I am ignoring this one, I am passing here. Again this will do calculation internally. Okay, this will do. Okay, what I'm doing here is asking this one, give me maximum mark. This will take care by recursion. These previous steps will take care of this. Okay, I'm doing this one. Else give me, return me max of LCS of S1 S2 comma M comma N minus 1 and LCS of S1 comma S2 comma M minus 1 comma N. Okay. Okay, we will execute this test case X by Z AZK. X by Z ZK. Our output should be 2. Okay, it is working fine. See, it is doing nothing. If both are not equal, one time I am ignoring this one time I am ignoring this one, and I am finding the maximum one. After this will internally calculate for these two values. Okay, for this one time it will ignore this one time this will ignore this one, and it will find maximum of that. Then if I ignore this one once, ax comma azk, it would be, and LCS, and I have ignored this one here. I ignored this one, LCS of x y comma az. Okay, see, again we will compare. These both are not equal. Sorry, these both are not equal. Last one, x comma k. So it will do same. Again, it will take this one azk, and one time it will ignore this one x comma az. Okay, it will do similarly for this one. It will go internally recursion process. Okay, if I take small input like small string, you can understand very easily. After 1 minute, I will take that also. A x z az. If I take these two strings, this is one is new example. One is string 1, string 2. M1, M is length 3, N is 2. Okay, I'm doing LCS. See, both are equal at n. So directly I'm adding 1 plus again LCS of, I'm decrementing both M and N, I'm decrementing. Okay, I'm checking here. LCS of, again here passing AX comma A. For this I'm checking here. LCS this one. For AX and A, both are not equal. So what I'm doing? I'm doing it into two parts. I'm ignoring this one. Then A, if I ignore this one, comma A. If I ignore this one, this would become A, comma empty string. If I ignore this one, if I ignore this one, it will become A comma A. Okay. If it is empty, it returns 0. Okay. See, it is not empty. So again, it will compare these two. Both are equal. It will add one plus. It will do LCS. LCS means it will become empty, so it will return 0, and then it will return 1. Okay. Finally, it will compare 1 comma 0. Which one is maximum? 1. So it will return 1 to this one. So this one will become 1, and 1 plus 1 it will return. Means 1 plus 1 2. It will return finally 2. So AZ. That is our value. We will test this one. XZ AZ. AXZ comma sorry AZ. It would be 2 years. It is working fine. Okay. In the next session, we will discuss LCS by using dynamic programming by tabularization method. You can try this one with a memorization method.